If you're running Proxmox in your home lab or even a production environment, and you're still just dumping files onto a standard NAS, let me tell you, you've been doing it all wrong. Standard backups are slow, they eat up massive amounts of storage space, and recovering a single file can be a total nightmare. Enter the Proxmox Backup Server, PBS. It is a dedicated backup system designed specifically for the Proxmox Virtual Environment. It's not just a storage spot, it's a tool that brings incremental backups and deduplication to your setup, making your data protection faster and more efficient than ever before. So why do you need it? The magic sauce here is deduplication. Instead of storing the same data over and over, PBS recognizes repeating chunks and only stores a small reference to them. This can save you anywhere from 20% to 90% of disk space. It also supports incremental backups. After your first full backup, PBS only saves the actual changes made to your virtual machines. This means a backup of a 400 gigabyte VM that used to take forever can now finish in just 14 seconds. Plus, it offers file-level recovery, allowing you to dive into a backup and pull out a single deleted directory or database without restoring the whole machine. Getting started is easier than you think. While Proxmox officially recommends a separate physical machine with at least 4 CPU cores and 4 gigabytes of RAM for maximum safety, you can actually run it as a small LXC container right on your existing Proxmox node. The easiest way to do this is using Proxmox VE helper scripts to automate the install. Pro tip, if you plan to store your backups on a remote NFS share, make sure to set the container to privileged mode during setup, or you'll run into permission issues later. Once installed, you just grab the certificate fingerprint from the Proxmox PBS dashboard, link it to your Proxmox VE storage settings, and you're ready to roll. Who is this for? Honestly, everyone. Whether you are a professional managing production servers or a home lab enthusiast trying to keep your hobby projects safe, PBS is a must-have. And the best part? It is a powerful open-source solution. You get professional-grade features like encryption and automated verification, which checks your backups for corruption immediately after they finish, without the enterprise price tag. The future of Proxmox is bright. They're constantly iterating, recently releasing brand new versions for both the virtual environment and the backup server. As the software evolves, it continues to add smarter features while maintaining the familiar interface that Proxmox users already love. Stop wasting space and start backing up the right way. Get the Proxmox Backup Server running today.